Colin, give me that computer, please.
What,
That's okay.
Just get the shoes.
Never mind, yeah, get my shoes.
Or here, and put them on the steps. Put the shoes on the steps right there. What? You're just so cute. Now, what about that little thing rubbing on you?
Crispy! Oh, sorry, Crispy. Crispy! Crispy!
I've never seen anyone more oblivious than my wife.
Crispy!
Y'all just like walked by him. He walked by you in every room. And then Colin, you picked up shoes 5 inches from him. And then you walked right by him.
Crispy! Where's Crispy? Crispy, you are so dead.
Right here.
Crispy! Crispy!
As you can tell, Crispy is home. And a little freaked out. And he probably thinks after the week he's been through that the boys are trying to catch him and eat him.
Oh, Daddy, I know what I can have for breakfast. Crispy.
Are you happy, Colin? What do you think about that? Now see? That's a miracle. The prayer worked, didn't it, Simon? Just believe me, I had no hope. Dude, we were sitting here on the porch. And Mommy went out to feed the cat, and I saw Crispy right across the back of the porch. And I said, "It's Crispy!"
Crispy!
Yay, we don't have to get a dog now.
And I keep thinking 2 of her front legs are gone.
No, they're not. She found a good kitty prosthetic place while she was gone. And I got my finger over the mic hole again. Stupid camera. Welcome home, Crispy.
I bet she's glad not to be out in the heat.
I bet you've had a long week. I can't believe you don't want water.
He's probably been coming back to the pool and drinking it.
Buddy, this boy right here has really missed you.
I'm gonna order the other healthy one.
Bye, Crispy. Good kitty.